Hey y'all, it's Chaz Lockpicking here. I've got another new padlock today, and it's a Sesamee stainless steel um, round body hardened steel padlock. On the back it says hardened boron alloy shackle for superior cut resistance, 2.5 inch, 64 millimeter wide, chrome plated, dual ball bearing locking mechanism, high security, rekeyable 5-pin cylinder with spool pins for pick resistance, removable cylinder, can be replaced or repinned, and blah blah blah, just basic information from here on out. Easy conversion from non-key retaining to key retained by adding attached screw. Made in Wheeling, Illinois. I'm sorry. The company is Wheeling, Illinois, but it was made in China. So, let's get this bad boy open and see if we can do an out the pack pick again for y'all today. I'm really excited. This is my first Sesamee. Never picked on one before. So I'm excited about trying it out. There is your keyway. There's your first pin. Let's take a look at the key real quick. Here's your bitting. Not the best bitting in the world, but I grabbed it. I really didn't think about looking at the bitting, and I should have, because I had other choices, but oh well, it is what it is. So let's see if this bad boy works real quick. Works great. Nice and hefty. Great snap. And there's the screw provided for switching it over to key retaining. And I will install that once I get it opened up. And we're going to go top of the keyway, obviously. Try a 50 thousandths, and it fits nicely. Okay, and I'm going to go with my reach from Law Lock Tools, and I believe it's 25 thousandths. And I'm going to start with light tension. Tiny little click on one, nothing on two, little click on three, 2 clicks on 3. Click on 4. Nothing on 5. Back to the beginning. There we go, little core movement off of 1. Some counter on 2. Maybe not. Move on to 3. Nothing. Definitely some counter on 4. Oh, that felt like an overset. And back to 5. We'll just keep going. Maybe we can get him to fall back down. Alright. 1 feels set. Tiny little click on 2. Three feels set. A little bit of counter on 4. Nope. I mean, it does feel like it. Yep, the little click on 4. Ooh. Click on 1. Oh, lost it. Guess we're gonna start over. Get the tension wrench back in. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. Good click on 3, I believe. Core rotation on number 4. Number 5. We're going to pass over him for now. Got a counter rotation on 1. There we go, and there's the open. Very nice. Okay. And there is the open. And adjust this camera just a bit and see if we can get this guy gutted for y'all. Okay, it's looking like a Phillips. good amount of Loctite on there. And there we go. It's interesting. I've never seen anything like that before. Curious to know what that is. Some kind of pin. Probably has something to do with the key retaining. Something I've never seen before. So we'll lock this up. So we've got the key. And get this guy off of here. And just to let everybody know, I did hit 100 subscribers today. So I will be getting a giveaway video together for y'all. I've been very anxious to do this, and very excited for the prize I'm going to give away. Hopefully y'all will be too. And this guy does not want to come off very easily. Let me see if I can get my needle nose. There we go. Stick the key in there and give me a shim. And can populate it with 6, so I'll definitely be doing that. Make that a little bit better of a pick and beefier lock. So well, that's interesting. We've got a spool in driver number 1, or key pin number 1. Very interesting. Hope y'all can see that. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. And standard in 5. I don't think I've ever picked a standard lock out of the package from the factory with a spool in a key pin position. Huh. Yeah, nonetheless, it's all the same to me. Makes it more fun. Well, there we go. There's your key pins. Let's see what we got upstairs in the Bible. Number 1, we've got a spool. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. And a spool in 5. So not even a standard pin upstairs. Very interesting. Well, very, very cool. Definitely a neat little padlock, and definitely didn't expect the spool in a key pin position. And all the springs are just your standard copper springs, so I'm not going to dump those out. But give you all a quick look at the pins here. Yeah, how do you like that? Spool in key pin position number 1. But thanks again for checking this out, and like I said, stay tuned. Hopefully later today I'll get that giveaway video up for y'all, and I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers who like and comment on my videos. I appreciate it so very much. I never thought I'd get this far, and it's just so amazing to experience it. Love this community. I don't know, I never expected to get this kind of support and friendships and kindness from a community of people that just enjoy picking locks and sharing it with everybody. I love it, and I just have most fun picking locks and sharing it with everybody, and I don't know, it's really hard to describe the feeling you get. But anyways, thanks y'all, and have a great rest of y'all's weekend. Later.